Hi, I'm Mark from LM Small Engine. Today we'll be working on a Pulsar, Pulsar, 200cc with a 21-inch cutting width push mower. The customers bought this at a big box store last fall. I guess it came in a box as they said they had to put a lot of it together. And when they drop it off here, I see the flywheel brake cable things all backwards on it and everything. And they did put gas in it, but it's never run, so I'll probably have to dump the gas out and stuff. So hopefully we'll get it running. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, on this here, this don't even move. And here's where your recoil rope's supposed to go in, and this should be over on this side here. So let's go ahead and take this all apart. This should be up here. I guess there's a hole on either end, I guess. Okay, let's pry this out gently so we don't break the clip on it. Yeah, it should go on this side over here. There. There. Well, that wasn't too bad. Okay, now we can drain the gas. Drain the gas out. Kind of smells kind of old. They said they had it running, but I don't know how they could have it running with that flywheel brake cable like that. But, well, they did have it running. Bought them filters really good. A lot of dirt in here. Now it looks like a 10 millimeter Phillips screw up here. Nine-year-old and the rubber's all cracked on it for the primer bulb already. Kind of twist it back and forth to break it loose. Take the governor off, the linkage off, and the spring. I'm going to clean it off before we tear the bowl off of it. Alright, let's take this bowl off here. This is 10 millimeter, and can I remember where that drain nut is? It's kind of opposite of where the fuel inlet is. I checked the oil. The oil looks nice and clean, so they must not have ran it very long. I don't know how it ran with that flywheel brake cable like that. Carburetor's in really nice shape. I'm just gonna spray some cleaner in that main jet, make sure it's not clogged up. Yeah, it's not clogged up. Tighten this up here. little hole on the side where the spring goes. Blow this tank out. When you do this, use like a paper towel or a regular towel so you don't get gas in your face. Go find a hose for this, because like I said, that's cracked. And I need a good hose. That's for the primer bulb. Put a clamp on that. It's kind of a 90-degree bend. That's probably why it tore. There we go. Get this vent tube put on. I guess the next step is to take it off the table and put some gas in it, see if it runs. Well, there you go. Anyway, hope this video helps you out. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyway, you guys have a good afternoon.